Good day, Sir Madam. I am Leanne Peru. I was born on June 9, 1998, and I am 25 years of age at this time. I am single but no child. My highest education attainment is college undergraduate. I worked as housemaid in the Philippines for 3 years, and I served one couple and two children ages 5 and 1 years old.
Hello, Miss Lee Alperu. How are you today?
I am good and thank you, Sir Madam.
Okay, may we know your main duties from your previous employer?
My duties is taking care of the children and doing all the household chores, Sir Madam.
Okay, why do you choose to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong to sustain the needs of my family, Sir Madam.
Okay, are you willing to learn how to cook Chinese food? If yes, what? It is very hard to get the taste of your employer. Are you still willing?
I am willing to learn how to cook Chinese food, Sir Madam.
Can you sing a nursery rhyme to the children? If yes, can you sing for us an example?
I can sing nursery rhyme like Baba Black Sheep, have you any wool? Yes sir, 3 bags full. One for the master, one for the day, one for the little boy who lives down the lane.
Okay, what will you do if the baby cries at night?
If the baby is crying, I will check if the diaper is full and I will check if the baby is hungry, Sir Madam.
Okay, before we end this conversation, do you have any last message to your future employer?
To my future employer, I promise to be a good helper. I will do my responsibilities, so please choose me as your housemate. Thank you, and I am looking forward to work with you, Sir Madam.
Okay, before we end, can you show your best smile? Thank you very much, Miss Lee and Peru, and hope to see you very soon in abroad.
Thank you, Sir Madam.